Centr by Chris Hemsworth. Pricing explained: what you get for your money. You've probably seen the ads. Chris Hemsworth threaded, smiling and promising a complete wellness transformation through his app, Centr. But is it really worth your money? Let's break down what you actually get when you sign up. Centr costs around $99 per month, $99 for 3 months, or $99 per year. So yes, it's on the premium side. But here's why people pay. Centr isn't just a fitness app, it's a full lifestyle platform. You get daily workouts, personalized meal plans, and mindfulness sessions designed by Hemsworth's own team of trainers, chefs, and psychologists. Most people get this wrong. They think it's just another workout app. But Centr actually builds an ecosystem of fitness, nutrition, and mental well-being. Workouts range from body height to yoga and boxing, with options for all levels. The guided programs even adapt as you progress. The meal plans are another standout. Are curated by professional chefs and nutritionists, offering balanced recipes that align with your goals, whether it's muscle gain, fat loss, or overall wellness. Then there's the mindfulness section. You'll find sleep aids, meditation tracks, and breathing exercises to reduce stress, something most fitness apps skip entirely. So what do you get for your money? Access to a team-level wellness program that feels both personal and motivating. If you want a structured, celebrity-backed plan that covers your mind, body, and plate, Centr delivers exactly that.